In my work, in couple therapy, I often see clients who come to me telling me that personality differences is causing them to drift apart. Reality is, every couple has their differences. No couple is perfectly compatible with each other. If we were to determine a great relationship using compatibility as the main criteria, then every relationship will fall short. Indeed, some couples are more compatible than others, but that does not necessarily make their relationship better. Sometimes, we let our differences get the better of us, especially when tensions are high and tempers are escalating. I have met many couples where one half is an extrovert and loves to be at every party in town, while the other half is an introvert who enjoys quiet evenings alone. There are other common differences, such as managing of finances, where one is a spender while the other half is a saver. Or perhaps, both of you have different taste in movies, music, and TV shows. We know that trying to ask someone else to fully accept our personality is a tall order to ask for. But try looking at differences from the angle of preferences makes things easier. Each of us have our own preferences. Preferences are the state where we find ourselves most comfortable. For example, some of us prefer to be alone. But can we step out of our comfort zone? Yes, we can. We can attend parties if we need to, but doing so will leave us drained out much faster than our extroverted counterparts. Similarly, an extroverted person can stay indoors, but will quickly start to feel restless. When we think about what our partner prefers, we learn and appreciate what is the preferred situation where our partners feel most comfortable. We move away from thinking, I want it my way, while they want it their way. We start to think of how we can accommodate to each other's needs to build a more balanced relationship. I have seen couples who successfully work out routines that has each party's preferences in mind. The extroverted partner invites, but does not insist, on the other half attending the party. He would attend only if he feels like it. After all, she has other friends that shares the same preferences, and she could call upon. Whereas on the other hand, the introverted partner offers her the choice of quiet and alone time, which she sometimes appreciates when she feels tired. Truth is, many conflicts are about different preferences. We can learn to accept that we will not always have it our way. After a while, we realize that many fights are either silly or selfish. And if we had the opportunity to rewind the tapes, we might find ourselves quite embarrassed. Learn to respect each other's preferences. And as you grow closer, the differences will no longer seem like a big deal. Be thankful for the differences. Everyone knows that opposites attract. And there can be something very interesting and stimulating about your other half that opens you to a new world. Perhaps a new genre of music or TV shows, or a new perspective in life. Take differences as an opportunity to expand your world. Remember to be generous towards the needs of each other. See the differences as gifts and approach with acceptance. Practice affirming often rather than criticize. After all, no personality style is better than another. But what we can is to give up on our superior attitudes and biases towards our own preferences. Find the balance and harmony in your relationship. If you wish to take it further, try sitting down with your partner and make a list of differences. Thank your partner for those differences. The next time you have an argument with your other half, ask yourself if it is about preferences. Try to see the issue from the other's perspective. Perhaps you can even try to do things their way. Remember to shift from judging your partner's personality into understanding and accepting their preferences. Change your perspective today and change your life. Thank you for your time with us. We hope you enjoyed this session. For more self-help audio guides, subscribe to this channel.